Hi, my name is Gun. I'm an English teacher here in Korea. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make students show up and be active. We are only human, and we are teachers at the same time. And we are not allowed to show vulnerability. Something bad happened at home, fired at work, put on a mask called professional. Don't let your personal issues take over your class because nobody wants to see a depressed teacher. You don't like the distance to the class? You don't like the mixed level, big-sized class? You don't like the textbook? Just pretend you are invincible. If you start complaining in front of your students, they would find you weak and it would backfire you down the road. Remember, teaching is acting. You cannot succeed if you keep a teacher-centered lesson or one-way lecture style. It's the 21st century and try to live it. Keep the 21st century skills sharp. Communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. They are called 21st century 4C skills. Having a student-centered lesson is a starter. And doing is learning. Give them something to do in and out of the class. A few tips about a useful YouTube channel or website to enhance their listening skills wouldn't hurt. They need to build up their English muscles on their own out of the class. Teach them how to fish, not feed them. And they didn't come for a listening class. The less you speak, the more they can speak. And don't make one dominant student take over your class. If one or two students feel like they have no chance to speak English, they will be gone before you know. Remember, ownership is the key. Very simple but easy to pass is remembering your students' names. Don't treat them invisible or anonymous. When you know all the students' names, they have a sense of belonging and more encouraged to come to the class. When you call their names, they are more active and willing to speak. And don't be afraid of sharing your contact information. Share your email address and cell phone number on the first day. When they know you're available out of the class, they will show up more willingly and more comfortable with speaking in the class. And if possible, open a Kakao group chat room. They can give you a heads up about their absences or ask questions or submit assignments, and more stuff can be handled in there. Remember, class dynamics doesn't happen overnight. It takes your efforts and work. That's it for today. It was about how to make them show up and more active. It was Gone from ybm.net. Good luck with your corporate classes.